G'day everybody, Gary from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove an X-Trail sound system stereo. And the tools you will need today is a Phillips head screwdriver. That's pretty much it, that's all you'll need today. Now, the first part we're going to remove is this section here. And you can get that off by getting your fingers underneath the very bottom edges and unhinging it. It is on little plastic hinges, so you'll need to pivot it so you can get these out here. Now this can all just go to the side. It's really not going to be in the way. And it's going to leave us with four screws, four silver screws that hold the stereo in. Before you disconnect the electricals, bear in mind these are security coded. Now most of the time that will be written in your owner's handbook in the glove box. If you can't find it, don't remove it yet, because you will need that code once you get it reinstalled. Now once you've found your code, you can remove the stereo. It will be held in with some electrical connections. They are coded so that they only fit in one hole. So just make sure you remove those. That one too, press the middle pin and pull it towards the front of the car. And once you've got it removed, you can send it off to Supertech Electronics for repair.